Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of the General Director of the Institute, I would like to welcome all the guests, the friends, the colleagues. This is, as you can see, the interim seminar of this CAPS2 project. It's on strengthening of Center for Aquaculture Production and Safety Surveillance in Adriatic cross-border countries. And we started our project around October 2012, so as this is a 3-year project, this is an opportunity to have a sort of resume of all what has been done. Today, in this project, we have put together all the countries that are around what can be considered the lake, somebody said in the past, that is the Adriatic Sea. So we are together with Croatia, with Bosnia, with Albania and with Montenegro, and we had the steering committee the last 2 days with all our friends and colleagues from these countries.
Today we are here in Teramo because the CAPS2 project organized an interim seminar to promote goals, objectives of CAPS2, introduce partners and present interim activities.
We present our project to all people which attend to this interim conference and also for public. So it is very nice to meet all the partners and all other institutions which can have interest in this project. We are pretty good in execution of a project. We have some delay in WP3 regarding to equipment buying and things like that, but I'm very satisfied that is a project going so well. Strength is that we are in, I may say it is very good cooperation between partners, and so I'm very happy to have partners like this.
As the institution which is responsible for implementation almost all monitoring program in Montenegro, roles of Center for Ecotoxicological Research is with the help of Institute Teramo and other institutions strengthening their capacity and to achieve a relevant level for the future implementation of a monitoring plan for examination chemical contaminants in shellfish in Montenegro. This means that we are responsible institution for implementation of surveillance plan in Montenegro. Especially Center is very satisfied with training courses which are realized in Institute in Teramo, but today we have opportunity to hear something about your situation in Italy, how you solve some problem for your Ministry of Health, for your authorized body, what is very important to us. For us, this is very important. This is, how can I say, one more opportunity to share experience, not only with participants in project, with some ministry, authorized body from your country.
Veterinarska uprava je centralni nadležni organ u državi Crnoj Gori za...
Veterinary Administration of Montenegro is central government body for implementation of the policy of safety of food of animal origin. Therefore, we are very happy to be a partner of this CAPS2 project in order to improve our system for the safety of shellfish as one part of the food of animal origin which is not so much covered by our activities. Therefore, we, especially as a touristic country, expect that we will improve a lot our system for control of shellfish. So this seminar was like extra help to us, which are users of this project, in order to obtain more information and to know what we can all expect. It was really useful to use that you decided to share your experiences, your national legislation and EU legislation, and then national principles and some guidelines, how to make your system of surveillance of shellfish more effective. And of course, each presentation gave us better overview to the system. and especially geographic information system was really useful, and we hope that with those sharing the results and making the network among the Adriatic countries, we will have opportunity to be much more informed, of course, and to put our food safety security system to a higher level.
Our department, that is the Department for Food Hygiene and Food and Technology, has a role as a laboratory who will introduce new methods, new equipment and new methods for detection of viruses, biotoxins, heavy metals and the other things in seafood in Adriatic Sea. So it's very important for us to continue introducing new methods to apply. For example, for the first time in our laboratories in our country, and I think in regions very rare, the methods for detection of the viruses in food. For us, that is the first time. Also, the detection of Vibrio.
So all the aspects of the project are part of term of reference of the Institute. And in this sense, we are very content with this project because we are supporting our analytical capacity and also information system and communication with laboratory network. I didn't expect this project to be so supportive for the Institute. When I've started to be in contact and when I've been, I think, in second steering committee, I think this is something that must be done, but I didn't thought that would be really important. It's too important. It's important for laboratory capacity because we'll complete this capacity in sense of equipment and infrastructure, things that are missing and will be difficult for us to provide without this project. Is too important regarding the training of the staff, and I think we need to continue with this process. It has been very important to establish a relation between countries.
I think it was a very interesting seminar. We had the possibility and the opportunity to know more about the situation of the partners, of the members of this initiative. We had also sort of a different standpoint from, for example, the ISPRA institution. We will have the Istituto Superiore di Sanità. So let's say a different perspective on the approaches to be followed, for example, for the preparation of a surveillance plan on mollusks and classification of water. I think also from the reaction of participants it was very interesting to have again this different standpoint from different countries. In general, I would say that the level of cooperation is very good among the partners, not just for this seminar. Of course, this is something that has been built along the years, even before the CAPS2 project, through several training sessions that we had in our institution, through missions that we have in these countries. In general, we have really established a network of people and of institutions, and this, I would say, is one of the main outputs of the project.